piece here. Here, hold it for me. Thank you.
Hey, guess what?
Come on, Lucas, jump! Good boy!
What are you doing?
For their whole lives. But that's mine.
Going to jail. Oh.